Okay, I'm Richard B. Garcia. You're watching my YouTube channel, Richard B. Garcia 619, and welcome to my sports channel, Sports Break and Unboxing, everybody. Well, today, before we do anything else, we're gonna be doing a 2025 Top Series 1 baseball celebration. Now they just the cards are pretty much the same. So see my T-shirt right there? I bought a new T-shirt at my card shop. So as soon as we pull the camera right over here, ta-da! There it is. Series 1 Celebration has hit the floor. So here we go. All right. So let's see what we got over here. Okay. All right. Hold on for a second. Let me drink something. I'm a little thirsty right now. Man, have a little Mountain Dew. Okay. Now, I'm gonna super rip all these packs. So let's see what we got for the celebration. Los Celebraciones. That's what this is all about. Now, I'm not gonna upload the video won't be uploaded till the next day. So anyway, this is what they look like. Here's the celebrations look like. That's what the setups look like right here. So here we go. There you have it. Right there for the top celebrations. Para los celebraciones. That's how you say it in Spanish. Celebración. So there it is right there. We'll put it right over here. And now we're gonna be super ripping all the packs. So okay. So here we go. Now here we go. Now, by the way, the cards look pretty much the same, except the parallels. Now, hold on for 1 second. See all these right here? We're looking the back. You're gonna see these are all they added some other parallels too. Now, you can also get Mr. Red. You can also get mascot autographs. But anyway, let's see what we have. Now the cards are pretty much the same. All the cards are pretty much the same cards. Now I'm gonna celebrate my inserts. Wow. Now I think I heard you get so many parallels. I think that someone told me that. So let's get ready to rumble, guys. Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble, guys. All right, let's take these out of the way. And let's put these over here. Here's the setup. Put the cards right over here. Just like right over here. I'm going to put the cards right over here. Ooh, and here we go. I see a James Wood to start off with right here. See, now you do get the insert. You do get these little inserts. Freddie Freeman. Nacho Libre. Connor Joe will go to my Padres. Here's the insert. Here, oh yeah, so here we go. Jacob Wilson. Rafael Devers, these are your inserts. Now these are the mascots are your inserts as well too. Now I'm gonna put the common rookies right over here. Let's move the packs up just a little bit, right over here. Okay. Another Jackson Merrill from my Padres PC. Nice. Now you're going to get the same cards. Aaron Judge. Now, here are your insert. Here are your these are your whatchamacallits. J-Rod goes to the insert. Gunnar Henderson is going to be your game day drip. I don't know if these are rare. So let's take these out of here. And there we go. Colton Cowser, Pico Armstrong, Craig Jones, Ellie De La Cruz, Adrian Beltre is going to be the Moose, J-Rod. Now, can you guys see the display? We're gonna have to cut the packs off of the picture right here, so just gonna have to do it like that, I guess. Or we might have to just hold on, we're gonna put the packs right over here. There you go, there you go. Now we're talking, now we're talking. Hold on for a second. It might be a long video, so please bear with it. Oh, is that a Dodger? Okay, that's you're gonna get a lot of inserts. There's a lot of inserts, a lot of parallels. So I love this product, man. I heard a lot of good things about this product right here. Now, baseball season has started. It's still early. My San Diego Padres have the best record in the league, but it's still early. Any Trout's a good Trout. It's going to be a lot of inserts. Believe me, there's going to be a lot of inserts. You're going to see a lot of inserts in here. There's going to be a lot of inserts. Hold on for 1 second. I'm going to move the camera this way. Right there. There you go. Sedan Rafaela. Gunnar Henderson. Cards flipped upside down. That's Juan Soto. Another Trout. How many Trouts do I have? Matt Olson. Clayton Kershaw for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Jacob Wilson. George Brett. Oh, yeah. Paul Skeens. What do you say about Paul Skeens? Cody Bellinger. Jackson Holiday. Ooh, we got something good right here. Bryce Matthews. Reese Hines, and this one, is it numbered? Is this numbered? No, it's not numbered. So Reese Hines, that's your Aqua. And Ellie De La Cruz, Manny Machado for my Padres, another Dylan, and George Jerry Springer. So, okay, here's some more packs right here. So there's a lot of parallels in Celebration. So how's your day going, guys? Baseball has just begun, and we are in spring training. Has been already ended right now. So. Alright, here we go. Let's take these packs out of here and move on to the next one here. It's strange that the celebrations are it's the same thing as the tops. It's the series. Now they might come up with series 2 celebrations. So we'll put the stack right over here. Okay, let's grab this stack. Here we go. Dylan Cease didn't look too good on the other night. He surrendered a lot of runs, but it's okay. Lindor, Slider, Kevin Alcantara. And this is gonna be Judge. I'll still upload the video. See how this is gonna be. Here's Detroit Tigers, Tristan Casas. You're gonna see more inserts and parallels. Lawrence Butler, Gunnar Henderson. It's all pretty much the same as Topps Series 1. Everything's all the same, but they just added some other inserts like the... I don't know what these... hold on, I'm going to backtrack just a little bit. But these are the... I think these are like the power players, 8 big ballers, the mascots, power players, game day drip, and so on. Of course, you're going to get your 1990 inserts. So anyway, let's resume back to the action here. So that's all the inserts you're going to see right here. Jackson Chourio, okay, your 1990 mascot. I think you're going to get one of each on the inserts. So Lawrence Butler is probably going to... Bogarts from my Padres. Got a Manny Machado. This is a lot of whatchamacallit. Got a Brooks Lee. Another, I think, am I seeing doubles? I think you might see some doubles too. It doesn't look like I'm gonna get an autograph or a relic, but I could be wrong. But let's see what we have here, okay? Got a Shohei, Firebird, another LA 8 big, Lindor. So, all right, Ohapi is going to be, okay, Arenado, Abrams, Jose Ramirez. There's a lot of inserts. Cronenworth. Got a James Wood. Here we go. Paul Skeens, James Wood, Clark, the mascot, Ted Williams, Ben Rice. Kim went to the Rays. Lawrence Butler, I put him right here. And Jose Ramirez, Hunter Green, Shohei Ohtani, Jake DeGrom are going to end it for my 2025 Topps celebration right here. So anyway, hold on for 1 second here. Let's see what we got right over here. Nothing too crazy, just all the what's in this stack right here. So now I'm gonna put my PC cards right here, and we'll put the stack right over here. So anyway, that will wrap up my 2025 Topps Series 1 celebration mega box break for the day. So if you like what you see, please smash that video. Please smash the notification. Please if you like what you see, please like my videos. Please comment. Please ring that notification, and don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel. As I try to reach, I repeat, I try to reach 400 subscribers by the end of 2025. My name is Richard P. Garcia. At Richard P. Garcia 619, I will be logging out. I will always say this to everyone. See you later. Yeah. Let's go. And the card shop is now closed.